If you come to a reveal or a window, it's the same procedure for both. What you need to do is, before you put any adhesive on, is panel over the window, like so, and then mark the back of it with your pencil, and then we will cut this piece out. Okay, so we've marked the panel. I've cut down the both sides, and then with the level or a straight edge, I'll then use the Stanley knife to score. Before adhesiving, I would just literally check that panel, and that's ready to have the adhesive on now. Nice little S shape. Try not to go to the end of the panel so it doesn't squirt out when fixing. Okay, we know it fits because we've checked it before. Slot it in, perfect. Once the panel's in position, screws approximately 10 or 12 inches. Make sure the panels are pushed in flush before fixing the screws. The next thing is to actually finish the inside of the reveal, and we can use the offcuts. You can either measure the opening you've got there or use your offcut of a panel. Put in position like that, mark it, ready to cut. So once you've cut the panels for your window reveal, what I'd recommend is do the bottom one first, fitted, then the top, and then the two sides, because what this will do then, it will hold the top one in position. A bit of adhesive on the back. That is now ready to have the external angle round the perimeter to give it a neat finish. So the first thing to do again is to measure the measurement, and on this one we've got 390mm. So what we will do now is get the external angle and cut that with nice neat miters to size. Just a small bead of the DBS clad grip down the middle like so. Not too close to the edge so it doesn't spur out. There we go. And don't forget that we have the protective film on, which then can come off afterwards to give that nice bright chrome finish. And this is how we install the angle for around the window.